Welcome to our YSBC Web Lecture Series. It's a family gathering, so it's not a kind of a big, serious discussions and from the podium or something like that. It's a gathering of our family members, those who are interested in social business, who are engaged in social business, who are curious about social business, young, old, very young, doesn't matter. We are all family members interested in the subject of social business, and we want to get together. Then when we get together, we can chat with each other. So we will have a fireside chat. This is the arrangement of fireside chat for the family members. We pick experienced family member, someone who did social business for a long time, has lots of experience. We invite him or invite her to come and talk about it. And we gather around and kind of listen to a discussion, a fireside chat with person, and learn from him and see, become interested in the subject and to look for more and more issues coming out of it. So you feel free to find out who will be the next person you would like to talk to in the fireside chat, because this is a series that you'll choose persons and we'll have a subject for them, and you'll choose the subject too. And you'll ask the questions through our email address, keep sending those questions so that, and suggestions who would you like to talk to. It will happen regularly every month. Twice a month. This is our idea is a family gathering across the world throughout the network of YSBC, network of social businesses, network of organizations of young people, professional people, and so on. So this is the whole idea, a family gathering, sitting around in a social business fireside chat.